How to change time in Minecraft. So first what you want to do is make sure that your cheats and commands are turned on. Now once that's done, just open up your chat. So since I'm on PC, I'm just going to click on letter T to open up my chat and commands. Now once you're there, you simply need to type in slash time set. Then you will see four options right here. It could either be day, midnight, night, or noon. So let's say I want to set it to day. So just simply click on it and just click on enter. Now as you can see, it will instantly make it day right here. And let's say I want to make it noon, just simply type in time, set noon, just like so. And it will just instantly become noon right here. And let's say I want to go back to midnight, so just type in time, set, then type in midnight just like so, then click on enter. Now as you can see, it's just that easy. And that's how I basically change time in Minecraft.